Based on competition, market can be classified into perfect competition and imperfect competition. Under imperfect competition, we have four types of competition: monopoly, monopolistic competition, duopoly, and oligopoly. We have already seen monopoly and monopolistic competition. Now let us see duopoly. From the word itself, you can understand duo means two, poly means sellers. There are only two sellers. Both the sellers are completely independent. Duet song. What do you mean by duet song? If two people are singing, it is called as duet. Similarly, duopoly is two sellers. So even though they are independent, a change in the price and output of one firm will affect the other person and may set a chain of reaction. Both of them seem to be independent, but if there is a change in the price and output of one firm, the other person will be affected. The classic example for duopoly is Coke and Pepsi. Pepsi company produces all these items: 7-Up, Mirinda, Tropicana, Aquafina, Mountain Dew. Okay, all these products are produced by Pepsi company. Coca-Cola company produces Coca-Cola, Limca, Maaza, Minute Maid. Then you also have Fanta, Kinley Soda, you have the Sprite. So these are both substitutes. They are not differentiated products. They are the same only, but company is different. So this is an example for duopolist, Pepsi and Coca-Cola. So what are the features of a duopoly? Fully aware of his rival's motive. Each seller is fully aware of his rival's motive and actions. Pepsi company will know what Coca-Cola company is doing. Pepsi company will know the price charged by Coca-Cola company. Coca-Cola company will also know what all Pepsi company is doing. He will know about the price, he will know about his output and what all decisions he is making. They look independent, but both sellers may collude. What do you mean by collude? They work together secretly. Others may not know, but both of them will work secretly. They agree on all matters regarding the sale of the commodity. They agree. Yeah, they will say, if you sell for 20 rupees, I will also sell for 20. If you make it 22, I will also make it 22. So they will have a secret agreement between themselves. Outside, they look independent, but both sellers may collude. That is the second feature of duopoly. Third one, cutthroat competition. They may enter into cutthroat competition, competing in a strong and unfair method. That is only called as cutthroat. Each one will try to suppress the other person. Coca-Cola will think that I should make the maximum profit. Pepsi will think I should make the maximum profit, and very soon I should see that Coca-Cola company is closed down or it is shut down. So they might uh, have cutthroat competition. Next one is no product differentiation. There is no product differentiation. Suppose if you go to the shop and if you ask for Aquafina soda and the shopkeeper says, I don't have, immediately you will say, okay, give me Kinley. If you go for Pepsi, if the shopkeeper says, Pepsi இப்போ தாங்க முடிஞ்சிச்சு Coca-Cola இருக்கு வாங்கிக்கிறீங்களா? Coca-Cola கொடுத்துருங்க. மினிட் மேட் இல்லை, அதுக்கு பதில் உங்களுக்கு ட்ராபிக்கானா கொடுக்கவா? கொடுங்க. ஃபேண்டா இல்லை, அதுக்கு பதில் மிரண்டா கொடுக்கவா? கொடுங்க. So there is no product differentiation. Each can be substituted by the other. Profit maximization. They fix the price for the product with a view to maximizing the profit. Each one will like to have the maximum amount of profit. So this is about duopoly. Next is oligopoly. Oligopoly example வந்து car industry கொடுத்துருக்கேன். Automobile industry. Audi car, Ford, Hyundai, Mazda, Mercedes-Benz, Mitsubishi, Land Rover, Jeep. These are all examples for oligopoly. Oligopoly, you have a few firms selling homogeneous or differentiated product. So you will have few firms, but they can be selling homogeneous product as well as heterogeneous product. So oligopoly is a market situation in which there are few firms selling homogeneous or differentiated products. it is difficult to pinpoint the number of firms in competition among the few. It's very difficult to say how many people are in this competition because the competition is among few people. With only a few firms in the market, the action of one firm is likely to affect the other. Like the duopoly, here also you have only few firms. So the action of one person will also affect the others. What are the features of oligopoly? Few large firms. There are only few big firms which own the major control of the whole market by producing major portion of the market demand. Whatever is demanded by the people or consumers or whatever the market demand may be, a few big firms itself will produce and supply all the market demand products. So there are few big firms which have the major control of the whole market by producing the major portion of the market demand. Interdependence among firms. The price and quality decisions of the particular firm are dependent on the price and quality decisions of the rival firm. When they fix the prices, Audi car, if they fix the price, the Benz car will also be observing the Audi car's cost. Based on that only they will fix the price. Then they will see their product, the car, the seat, the steering, the brake, everything, the chassis, the body. Similarly, they will also try to have the same feature in Mercedes-Benz also. Sometimes the features will be unique to get more price. So there is interdependence among firms. Group behavior. The firms under oligopoly realize the importance of mutual cooperation. There will always be mutual cooperation. There will be mutual cooperation among the firms in the oligopolist market. Advertisement costs. They will advertise their products. The oligopolist would raise sales either by advertising or improving the quality of his product. Then we have the nature of the product. Perfect oligopoly means homogeneous product, and imperfect oligopoly deals with heterogeneous products. So what are the types of products? You have homogeneous product as well as differentiated mean heterogeneous product. Homogeneous என்னது ஒரே மாதிரி பொருட்களையும் உற்பத்தி செய்வாங்க, விதவிதமான பொருட்களையும் உற்பத்தி செய்வார்கள். So perfect oligopoly na என்னது? Perfect oligopoly means homogeneous product. Imperfect oligopoly means heterogeneous product. Perfect na homogeneous. Imperfect na heterogeneous. Price rigidity. It implies that prices are difficult to be changed. The oligopolists do not change the price of their product. The oligopolist firms do not change the prices due to the fear of rivals' reaction. Suppose Mercedes-Benz increases its price. What will happen? Everybody will try to go and buy Audi car or BMW. இவங்க ப்ரைஸை இன்க்ரீஸ் பண்ணதுனால ஆடி காருடைய சேல்ஸ் ஜாஸ்தி ஆகும், பிஎம்டபிள்யூடைய சேல்ஸ் ஜாஸ்தி ஆகும், ஆனால் இவங்களுடைய சேல்ஸ் கம்மியாயிடும். மெர்சிடிஸ் பென்ஸ் மைட் திங்க் தட் Audi and BMW will also increase the price. If they don't increase the price, அவ்வளோதான், இவருடைய சேல்ஸ் கம்மியாயிரும். ஸோ கூடுமானவட்டு ப்ரைஸ் எப்படி தான் இருக்குமா, ரிஜிடாக இருக்கும், எந்த மாற்றமும் இல்லாமல் ஒரே ப்ரைஸ். தெர் இஸ் நோ சேஞ்ச் இன் த ஒலிகோபோலிஸ்ட் மார்க்கெட், சேஞ்ச் இன் த ப்ரைஸ். ஓகே, நெக்ஸ்ட் இஸ் monopsony. Monopsony. What is monopsony? Monopsony is a market structure in which there is only one buyer of a good or service. Do you remember monopoly? Monopoly means there was a single seller. அது வந்து செல்லர், இங்கே வந்து பையர். பையராக இருந்தால் இட் இஸ் கால்ட் அஸ் மோனப்சானி. மோனோ சிங்கிள், சானி பையர். ஸோ மோனப்சானி மீன்ஸ் சிங்கிள் பையர். What is bilateral monopoly? ஒரு சிங்கிள் ப்ரொடியூசர் ஒரு சிங்கிள் பையர் இருந்தால் that is called as bilateral monopoly. Here there is a mistake, girls. Please note this. In your textbook it is correct. In your textbook you have it as a box item. It is monopolist. இங்கே வந்து monopsonist. Monopsonist. A single producer is called as monopolist. A single buyer is called as monopsonist. Monopsonist. There is a spelling mistake here. So what do you mean by bilateral monopoly? Bilateral monopoly refers to a market situation in which there is a single producer, a monopolist of a product, faces a single buyer. There is a single seller and he faces a single buyer. Single producer. Monopolist வந்து the single producer, single seller. Buyer இப்படி தான் இருக்காங்க, single தான் இருக்காங்க. Then it is called as bilateral monopoly. Market structure. So what are the market structures we have seen so far? We saw the perfect competitive market, monopolistic competition, monopoly, oligopoly, and we also saw duopoly. So this is an extra information which is not there in your textbook. It is not there in your textbook, but you can have this extra information also. Types of market. We have 6 types of market here: monopoly, duopoly, oligopoly, monopsony, duopsony, and oligopsony. So size of the market. Monopoly na single seller and a large number of buyers. Examples on the Indian Railway. Duopoly na 2 sellers, but there are large number of buyers. 2 பேர் தான் விற்கிறாங்க, நிறைய பேர் வாங்குறாங்க. சாஃப்ட் ட்ரிங்க்ஸ், எத்தனை பேர் பெப்சி குடிப்போம், எத்தனை பேர் கோக் குடிப்போம். ஒலிகோபோலி, ஃபியூ செல்லர்ஸ் தான் இருக்காங்க, பட் there are large buyers. Example, LPG gas, cement market, pizza, then automobile industry also. Monopsony. Monopsony na it is from the buyer. Mono, single, sony, buyer. ஓகே, லார்ஜ் செல்லர்ஸ், நிறைய செல்லர்ஸ் இருக்காங்க, ஆனால் பையர் வந்து ஒருத்தர் தான் இருக்காங்க. கவர்மெண்ட் கான்ட்ராக்டர்ஸ் இதுக்கு எக்ஸாம்பிள். duopsonyனா large sellers, only 2 buyers. For example, if you take petroleum products, we have 2 buyers here. One is HPL, Hindustan, and another one is Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited. In India, we have only 2 people, HPCL and BPCL. Oligopsony, there are large sellers but only few buyers. Example is International Airways. So these are examples for the types of market, the number of sellers, the size of sellers, the size of buyers, and examples. This is not there in your textbook. This is just an additional information. You have this in your textbook. Comparison among the features of various market. You have this question, this tabular column in your textbook. This is very, very important because quite often they ask this question. Compare the features of the various types of market. Features, we studied about perfect, monopoly, and monopolistic. Number of producers and sellers. You have innumerable buyers and sellers. Monopoly, you have only one. Monopolistic, you have large. So number of producers or sellers, you have innumerable, large number of sellers. Monopoly, only one seller. Monopolistic competition, you have large number of sellers. Nature of product, here it is homogeneous, perfect substitute. Here no close substitute, it is unique. You just think of electricity, coin and currency printing. Okay, it is unique, no close substitutes. Monopolist, you have differentiated products, soap, paste, hair oil, all fall under monopolistic competition. Control over price. Perfect competition is called as price taker, monopoly price maker. Some control depending on the branded royalty. For each brand, they have certain price. Entry and exit. Anybody can enter into or exit the market. Here there are barriers. நீங்களும் நானும் நாங்கள் காசு பிரிண்ட் பண்ணிக்கிறோம் எங்கள் வீட்லேயே, நாங்கள் எங்கள் வீட்லேயே எலக்ட்ரிசிட்டி இது பண்ணிக்கிறோன்னா தூக்கி உள்ள ஜெயிலில் வச்சிருவான். ஸோ தெர் இஸ் பேரியர். Monopolistic competition also, entry and exit is free. Profit. Here you have abnormal profit or you have a normal profit. You will also have loss. Monopoly வந்து always sees only profit. Monopolistic competition where the abnormal profit இருக்கலாம், loss இருக்கலாம், அல்லது normal profit இருக்கலாம். Market knowledge. Here people have complete knowledge. Monopoly also people have knowledge. Monopolistic வந்து partial knowledge only. How are the AR curves? This I would like to draw and explain. Okay, how are the AR curves? In the perfect competition, the AR curve is a horizontal straight line parallel to the x-axis. So this is the AR curve. Okay, in the perfect competition, we studied that the AR curve is a horizontal straight line parallel to the x-axis and it is perfectly elastic. In monopoly, we saw that the AR curve was a downward sloping curve. AR curve was a downward sloping curve. It was fairly flat and more elastic. Here, okay, this is the AR curve. It is highly elastic. Here it is highly elastic. Here only actually it must be fairly flat. Steep must be here, but I think there is a mistake in your textbook. Here the AR curve is steep, okay, and more elastic. Here the AR curve is flat, fairly flat and highly inelastic. Quantity. Here the quantity is very large. Here the quantity is less compared to perfect competition. They will not produce more. They will produce only less because they know that nobody can buy their product in any other market. But the price will be high. Here the quantity is substantial. Next, the price. Uniform and low. Here the price will be high. Here the price will be moderate and varied. Last one, market power. Perfect competition, nobody has market power. Monopoly, the seller has absolute power in the market. Monopolistic competition, they have limited power. So these are the features of various competitions. Okay, so this hope this lesson was very interesting. We studied about the market structure. What did we study? We studied about the market structure. This was the fifth chapter, market structure and pricing. We saw the meaning of market, the features of market, then the classification of market. Market based on area, time, quantity, and competition. This is a very, very important question. Then we saw on the basis of area, local market, provincial market, national market, international market. On the basis of time, we saw very short period or market period, short period market, long period market, and very long period market. On the basis of quantity, we saw the wholesale market and the retail market. On the basis of competition, broadly classified into two, perfect competition and imperfect competition. Equilibrium conditions for the firm. We saw this also under two approaches, total curve approach and marginal curve approach. This is the diagram for total curve approach and marginal curve approach. This is a very important question. Then we saw the salient features of perfect competition. Large number of buyers and sellers, homogeneous product and uniform price, free entry and exit, absence of transport costs, perfect mobility of factors of production, perfect knowledge of the market, then no government intervention. Then we saw the price and output determination under perfect competition during the short period. It can be a normal profit or it can be an abnormal profit or it can also be a loss. Then we saw the price and output determination of perfect competition during a long period. You get only normal profit. Then we saw about monopoly. Monopoly means only one seller. Then we saw the features of monopoly. Then we saw the price and output determination under monopoly. It is always profit only in a monopolistic firm. Then we saw the sources of monopoly. Natural monopoly, state monopoly, and legal monopoly. We saw the price discrimination under monopoly, personal, geographical, on the basis of use. We also saw the degrees of price discrimination. First degree price discrimination, second degree price discrimination, and third degree price discrimination. We saw the monopolistic competition, the salient features of monopolistic competition. We saw the price and output determination under monopolistic competition. Here also we saw profit, then we saw loss, then we saw the normal profit during the long run. Today we saw the wastages of monopolistic competition. We saw duopoly and its features, oligopoly and its features. Then we saw monopsony and bilateral monopoly. So here bilateral monopoly, I said there is a mistake here. So you have to make a note of it. Okay, it's better I change it. Okay, so here it is MON, sonist. Instead of this, you must have SONIST. Okay, so it is monopsonist. Make a change. Then we studied about the market structure. This is a recap of all the market structures. This is additional information for you. Then the last one, we saw the comparison among the features of various competitions. So thank you girls for your patient listening. Thank you. Okay.